Life shouldn't just be about solving problems. Elon Musk.
So it's very important for us to have reasons to be excited about life. Like when you wake up in the morning, it can't just be about problems. It's okay. I know everyone in this room deals with a lot of tough problems, but it's got to be more than that. So, I think a future where you can say, hey, even if it's not you, there's going to be people out there that we can have a base on the moon. We're going to have a city on Mars, maybe go further, moons of Jupiter and everything. I think that's a very exciting future, and I think most people do.
Welcome on board our vessel to Mars. Boarding is completed as all systems are set, and we're sure that we don't take the coronavirus to outer space. Thanks for your cooperation, by the way. We are ready to launch. First rule, don't panic.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.